In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on the Samsung Galaxy A27. If you want to go to the safe mode, then first of all, we need to open the power menu, which you can do, for example, by going to the quick settings panel, and you can tap on this power button over here. Once you open the power menu, you want to press and hold your finger on the power off button, and then it's going to switch to the safe mode button. You want to tap on the safe mode button, and then your phone is going to reboot, and once it turns back on, you will be in the safe mode. And there we go. As you can see now, here we have the safe mode, and also the airplane mode is going to be automatically activated as well, so keep that in mind. Now, if you decide to exit the safe mode, then all you have to do is you need to either go to a notification which just appeared, so over here we have tap here to turn off safe mode, this is what you can do, or you can just go back to the power menu, you can reopen it, and you can simply restart your phone. And once the phone turns itself back on, you will be back into the normal mode, and that is pretty much it. Of course, remember about the airplane mode, it is still going to be activated, so you have to turn it off in order to, for example, use Wi-Fi. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.